Pamela is a doctor. She's Canadian, but now she lives in a small town near Nairobi, Kenya, in East Africa. She isn't an ordinary doctor. She's a flying doctor. Every day from 8 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m., she speaks to people on her radio, then she flies to help them. She works 16 hours a day non-stop, but she loves her job. She isn't married. She has no free time.
Lisa Parsons is 32 years old and lives in Manhattan. From Monday to Friday, she works at a bookstore in New York. Sometimes, she stays at work until 10:30 at night, but Lisa doesn't relax on weekends. On weekends, she has another job. She is a singer. On Saturday afternoons, she practices with her band, and on Saturday and Sunday nights, she goes to nightclubs and sings. She has no free time, but she loves her life.
Mike is standing at the top of the stairs. He is reading something. Then he falls down the stairs. His leg hurts a lot. He tells his wife Judy that his leg is killing him. Judy gets ice for him and then she takes him to the hospital. The doctor says that Mike's leg is broken. Mike isn't happy because he has to stay put. He can't go to work for a few days.
You're not going to believe this, but I missed it. I left really early so I wouldn't be late, but I wrote the address down wrong and I couldn't find the office. I was so nervous about the interview that I forgot my phone, too, so I couldn't call them and ask for directions. I was so mad at myself. I really wanted the job.
My weekends are busy and exciting. My weekdays at home are busy, too. I have two sons, Dylan, 7, and Dakota, 5. Every morning I get up 1 hour before them, at 6 o'clock, and I go to the gym. I come home and I make breakfast. Then I take them to school. On Mondays I always go shopping. I buy all the food for the week. I often cook dinner in the evenings, but not every day because I don't like cooking. Fortunately, my husband, Don, loves cooking. On Tuesdays and Thursdays I visit my father. He lives on the next block. Every afternoon I pick up the kids from school. In the evenings Don and I usually relax, but sometimes we visit friends. We never go out on Friday evenings because I start work so early on Saturdays.
Hello. My name is Jerry Peterson. I'm from Diego, California, but I live in New York now. I have an apartment in New York. I'm a student at New York University. I'm a student now, but I want to be a teacher. I want to be an English teacher. I'm 20 years old and not married. I have a brother. His name is Charlie. He also lives in New York, but he's not a student. He is a software designer. He's married. His wife's name is Dana. I see my brother and his wife every week. It's nice to have family here. California is so far away. Another way to make electricity is to use the heat from the sun. Solar power stations only work well in places where it's very sunny all year long. In many countries, people use solar energy from solar panels to heat water in homes, offices, and swimming pools, and to power watches, calculators and road signs. In sunny countries, you can cook by using only heat from the sun. All you need is sunshine and a solar panel.
Engineers are investigating how to make car engines cleaner so that they won't damage our planet so much. Instead of using gasoline, some cars use electricity and others use a mixture of gasoline and electricity. Some cars use fuels made from plants. These biofuels can be made from nuts, corn and other plants. There are also a few cars that use electricity made from solar energy. Maybe in the future all cars will be powered in these ways.
Pollution makes land, air and water dirty. Factories make pollution, and landfills make pollution, too. Polluted air and water can make people and animals sick. People throw some waste onto the ground, or into rivers. This waste makes more pollution and more problems. Polluted rivers can kill the plants and animals that live there.